Oh man, yo, you ever go online and start looking up symptoms and injuries and all that? I was on ChatGPT yesterday looking up all types of injuries that I could have had, would have had, and found out that I had a torn hip labrum. So basically the ball in the socket, there's like cartilage or whatever, and typically like basketball players, sprinters, volleyball players, they typically tear that cartilage, which can lead to arthritis. So I know that every time I play basketball, even if it's for like an hour, I feel sore, and it's only on one side, my right side, right? Yeah, so if you guys need a checkup or anything, I got you. Oh, definitely need to start stretching out more, man. This is crazy work. Oh, crazy work. Crazy. Oh, God, that feels so good. Keep the merch though. Look, got the fitted, got the hoodie. Go ahead and buy something. You know what I'm saying? Support the channel so I can keep going. You know what I'm saying? Let me know in the comments your thoughts on my hoodie, my hat, design, and everything. Here, I'll show you right here. Look, we got cashless prosperity right here, meaning you don't really need cash. You don't need to trade anything physical. Everything is online. Everything's digital. Everything is cashless. Makes sense, right? So what do? I trade, make YouTube content, and that doesn't demand anything. You know, I don't have any cost of goods, well, besides my merch, but you get the idea. I don't even manufacture anything. Everything's drop ship for me, you know what I'm saying? So I don't have to print labels. I don't have to, you know, do graphics or anything, and everything is drop shipped from a warehouse. They do all the designs for me. They ship it out all the way to my customer. It's cashless, you know? I don't even have to get my hands dirty. Eventually, I'm going to turn this brand into, I'm showing you a blueprint on how to make money online, day trade, and have multiple sources of income. But that's in the future. Right now, my main focus is day trading. I want you guys to understand that day trading is how you can actually leverage your life. All right, so I usually do leg warm-ups, but I warmed up on legs yesterday. It ended up becoming like a real leg workout, so I'm a little tight with my legs, so I decided to just do a really thorough stretch. But now, today it's chest day, so I'm gonna do some traditional stuff, regular bench press, incline, then I'm gonna work with the cables. So come work out with me, let's get it. You guys ever had these amino energies? It's actually pretty good. Only 100 milligrams of caffeine, has electrolytes for hydration, 5 grams amino acids, and then 0 sugars. The other one, I think it's called Celsius. Man, that's just too strong for me. I think Celsius has 200 milligrams of caffeine. I don't know, but let me know. When I was younger, I used to be able to take 250, 300 milligrams of caffeine. I got my Sunday market breakdowns later on today. I'm excited. We got a new week. And then quick update. So I did fail my $25,000 challenge, but I have a $100,000 challenge that I'm in right now. So I'm looking forward to this week because there could be some potential opportunities. Mind you, there is the elections coming up. So I'm going to be very, very cautious of any sort of setups. Definitely got to keep up with the news, you know what I'm saying? So I'm going to look for high impact news just to see if there's any volatility. This week, I'm trying to be conservative with my trades, so I'm not going to risk too much. I'll probably size my positions in half. decided to challenge myself, basically post every single day on YouTube. It's gonna be kind of challenging because, let's be honest, I'm human, I get lazy, but I'm gonna modify my videos. That way I'm not editing so much and just a little bit more raw clips, you know what I'm saying? So instead of having crazy sound effects and transitions, I'm just gonna work out, get on the charts, talk about trading, mindset, staying motivated, and then most importantly, do a little bit of vlogging here and there, go on walks with you guys. So that's my challenge. I just wanna do it, see if I can do it. Going to the gym every day, right? Or 75 hard, right? So it's like, you know, if I can go to the gym every single day, challenge myself to get more in shape, let's do the same thing for YouTube, you know what I'm saying? And use CapCut. CapCut is amazing. The AI, they have little editors and stuff where you can take out all the spaces, the ums, the ers. So yeah, I'm just excited to just get that popping and just take myself to the next level. Oh my God. I think in high school, I was 152 pounds. Then once I got into my early 20s, I was ranging from 170 to 175. And then now I'm ranging from 183 to 185. So it's a healthy weight. My body fat is still pretty low. And just proud of myself for just maintaining now, staying in the gym. I don't want to get, like my dad told me that he was pretty much very slim his whole life until he got into his mid-30s, started filling out. My dad, he used to be hella big, like just squatting 500 pounds for no reason. So I'm starting to fill out a little bit. I can tell that my weight is sticking. I want to take advantage of that because I'm naturally a hard gainer, but starting to notice that I'm keeping this weight on. I don't have to try as hard. Let's do these dead hangs real quick. Ooh, shit. Maybe I should stretch out one more time. Just got done working out. I was in the zone, feeling pretty good, got a good pump. So I'm gonna go home, shower real quick. I might take a nap, it's still early. It's only Sunday morning, so we're looking at 5:30 a.m. right now, which is crazy because most people are hungover from the clubs and all that. But anyways, I'm gonna shower up, clean up, maybe get a little quick bite in, and then get ready for Sunday market breakdown. So if you guys are new to my channel, go ahead and subscribe. Let's keep growing, let's get it. Hey, what's going on, Priscilla?
Hey, how are you?
Doing good. We are almost done with the Sunday market breakdown, but I have it recorded on my, well, it's live on YouTube right now, but it'll save as a recording. So if you want to watch it, go ahead. Price could essentially come down and then start respecting the structure or just completely break.